Your 2 News Oklahoma weather, sponsored by Executive Homes.
On that video, you can actually hear the wind, whipping around and presumably helping to spread those wildfires. I know it's very windy here, not necessarily having that same threat, but we do want to get over to Michael Sager for a look at that forecast. Michael, good morning to you.
Good morning. You'll notice that wind as you step outside, and you'll notice the mugginess to the air because that wind is coming out of the south, and we're pulling up a lot of Gulf of Mexico moisture with that wind. And that moisture will be in place for tomorrow as a cold front moves in from the north and west that will likely spark showers and thunderstorms and some potential for severe weather. For us, probably going to hold off until tomorrow evening and into tomorrow night, but wind gusts up to 60 miles per hour, perhaps some hail up to about 1.5 inches in diameter. Tornado threat's going to be on the lower end of the scale, but not necessarily zero, so we'll have to watch this going into tomorrow evening, tomorrow night. Looking a little bit more likely that we will have storms, unlike we saw on Wednesday when there was still a question whether or not we get a few storms to pop up. Here's what it looks like out in Owasso on the Wade's RV Weather Camera Network, and again a very mild and muggy start across green country. A lot of clouds out there right now, but we are dry. Wind gusts mostly into the 20 to 25 mile per hour range as you go farther to the west. Lower gusts as you head farther to the east. But we're going to watch those wind gusts really increase for us as we go throughout the day. And those southerly winds have helped hold the temperatures up along with the moisture in place. Look at these numbers. We are just after 5 o'clock in the morning, and a lot of us waking up at 70 degrees or warmer. Yesterday we were 82 for the high. I think we can go a little bit warmer than that today. Taking the dogs out for a walk. It's going to be shorts and short sleeve weather and flip-flops this afternoon. Will be windy though. You have to deal with that wind today. Gusts over 40 miles per hour. Wind advisory along and north of I-44. Rain chances tomorrow evening will be higher to the north and west, and we'll watch that higher rain chance kind of drift its way south and eastward as we go into Saturday night, and then continue to move south and east as we go into Sunday. Probably going to be some heavy rain with this, especially those of you here I-44 and southward, maybe widespread 1 to 3 inch rainfall total. So along with a severe threat tomorrow night, some heavy rainfall possible going into Saturday night and into Sunday. We'll go cool into early next week, but back into the 80s by the end of next week. We'll look at the 10-day forecast into next weekend in the next half hour.